I can't wait to let it go.
Oh, as I say, if you're gonna dump it there, you gotta stop because you're gonna dump it on the trash cans.
You want me to dump it right there?
I think he's looking for guidance. Did you?
Hey, can you dump it right here? At that, oh my
Oh my
god.
gosh. That's so much.
Yeah. That's good, right?
Perfect.
Get the fuck out.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, look at this.
There's so much.
They just dump this stuff. Okay, so this is free. This is free mulch. Talk to your loggers in the area. You can probably get it the same. They just dump it.
Oh man. Yes, baby. Yeah.
Everybody, this is John and Sons. They dropped our mulch off for free.
Yep.
I mean, if you need anything and you're in the area, just give us a call. Our number's right here on the side of the truck.
We can link it below in the description, guys.
Yes, we can, man. They really did well for us. Look at all this
Yes.
mulch they
We're on
get.
Facebook and everything. So
They're on Facebook. Give them a like. Give them a follow on Facebook.
Give them a share.
Give them a share. John and Sons Tree Remover, LLC. Yeah. Lakeview Enhancement. Yes. We appreciate that.
we just have a giant.
Check it out. It's a pile almost as tall as me.
Oh.
Oh, doggone it. You got stung, didn't you? Bees are awful out here. Who's king of the hill?
I am.
Oh, yo.
You were not entertained.
Our chickens are gonna be so happy. Ow! Ladybug biting the crap out of me.
I just got stung by one.
I know. Bees stinging, ladybugs are biting. It's not a very nice day out. So the girls are just itching to get in this mulch. So today we're gonna start our first project with it, which is the chicken coop. All of our girls have been getting out, and some of the boys even. They've all been getting out of their nests, chicken coop. So we're gonna get it layered with mulch.
There's a bee on you. Yeah, you can't get it off of you.
So they are scooping it up, putting it in the barrel, and we're gonna wheel it over to the chicken coop.
What y'all doing?
Annabelle and I are gonna supervise. I think Dad's gonna help with that too. Where'd he go?
Little crybaby, but she's a big girl.
One of you get on each side of it. There you go.
Zariah.
Go, Sophia, go. Go, Sophia, go.
This is easy. You stick it in there and wiggle it around a little.
Oh, thank you, Annabelle. She's helping record.
Now that's no fair. Daddy.
We do have the chicken coop winterized. We wrapped it with plastic this year and a couple of tarps. Maybe in this video we will make a door for it. But I know you may be worried about predators, but we're not. With as many dogs as we have surrounding us, we don't have to worry about it. The chickens have been, yes, perfectly safe.
You want me to rake it?
Over there with the rest of the dog stuff. Zariah, can you take this grate from Daddy?
Okay.
Today, the project on the homestead is chicken coop cleanup.
The what?
That grate from your daddy. And go put it over here next to the tent with the rest of the dog stuff. We're raking out the chicken coop. Getting ready for the fresh mulch. Look at all that dirt and fertilizer already. And it's just been a couple of months. They've all come to scratch and see what's going on. All these guys were out. He was out earlier. He was out. A bunch of the hens were out. They're all trying to come back in. Look at them all being nosy. Nosy Rosies. Oh, Snickers decided she didn't want no part of it. Load number 2. No, princess. I'm taking care of Annabelle.
Can I put this one here?
No. Yeah, especially not. No. She's so excited. She loves to help.
My belly shirt on.
You're looking super sexy.
Oh, Jesus. Help.
He's so gorgeous even without his tail feathers right now. The chickens are going through a molting. The girls got wheelbarrow number 3. Got baby girl down for a nap. So now we're going to try to get some lunch made. Okay, now that we've got lunch started and Annabelle's asleep, I can help the girls shovel some of this mulch. Let me show you what Mama's using. This year I turned 40, and this is my birthday present. And I love it so much. May not be much to some, but to me this thing has been awesome. Now I'll put a montage in here of what it is that I've used this thing for since I've gotten it. Because I made sure I took pictures of how happy I was that I got it. Thank you again for my birthday. Yeah.
Crap with me.
I think with my wheelbarrow full, we might have enough. How many wheelbarrows was that? 3?
Like 5.
This was 4. Now I've been counting every time the girls come up, so.
Okay.
I think this one makes 4. I think you're right. Plus mine, which is kind of like a wheelbarrow and a half. I think mine holds more. Well, this bad boy's just gonna dump and go. Dump and go. Get the little handle. You just pull it, lift. Yeah.
You can spread it out.
And I just
but
pull.
I don't want to spread. You see how I had it thick on one side? Stop, Sophia. What are you doing? See how I have it thick on one side? I want it thick.
Early. So that made 5. This is load 6 and load 7. Wilma Jane!
Wilma
yappy. Yappy all the time.
Hey. Enough. Chill.
She just wants to play in the mulch too. So lunch is going to be cooked on. And probably dinner. Yeah, probably. That's it. All right. Load 8 and 9. We've got the whole inside of the coop done. With these 2 loads, we'll have this front part done. And then around to the back. How many loads do you think it's going to take? We're already at basically 10. And we still got all this to do on the side. Any guesses how many loads?
I say
We're at 9 now.
about 20.
Zariah?
I say about 19.
You?
15.
15. Where's Sophia? How many loads is it going to take us to get this job done? 2? Is that your final guess? All right. I say I'm going to go high, say 25.
We still have a sunny day.
You still got a sunny day? Huh? That's what you just said? Okay. Word. Come on. Put it in there, big girl. Let me help you out? All right.
Try using your foot again. There you go.
Okay, how you gonna do that? Why don't you try doing it closer to you? Let me help you out. Look. Let me help you out. Look. Why don't you try doing it closer to you?
You think you can do that? Give her a try. Use your leg. There you go.
All right. Girl.
Load 10.
And 11.
What's on the menu today for lunch?
Pork steaks.
Farm raised pork steaks.
Daddy.
You put the hot pepper in your water.
Yeah, no.
We got what? Load number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 done. So I got 7 loads before she woke up. So maybe 30-minute nap. Are you Putin? I hear you love farts.
There's a lot of loads.
Nuh-uh. Load 12 and 13.
What is this load? 12 or 13?
12 and 13.
17 or 18.
No, 12.
No.
Load 12 and 13. Going in.
Not me. How far did you do the window?
How'd she do it?
And the flamingos on November 2nd. Yeah. It's a beautiful day out here in the Ozarks, people. It really is. 74, 75 degrees.
Yeah.
Beautiful breeze.
Flamingo weather. You know what I'm saying? Flamingo weather over here. Oh, let the axe do the work. You look
Grandma
too close.
Christine, don't watch.
Come on,
Look,
Christine.
listen. Very close. Hands in the air. Let the axe do the work. Let it drop. But, you know, hit it like that, okay? Remember how I told you.
Measure your distance.
Measure your
Yeah, I remember where
distance.
Daddy stepped in.
No, that's
Nope,
not
I'm
that's not
taller.
your arm reach.
That's
Put
not
the
my arm
axe head on the top of the wood where you want to chop it at. There you go. Put your hand placement where you're going to have your hands. Yep. All right. Now take it off there. Don't move your feet. Swing and hit her.
I cracked it.
Yeah. Good job. Step back just a little bit. Remeasure. Now that you've got an idea of your swing and your arm reach.
Nope. That's good, but you gotta let your hand go. You can't do like
Let
this.
your hand slide down the axe handle. Be
You can't
careful,
do like this,
baby.
Watch out, watch out. You can't do like this. You gotta do like. You know what I'm saying?
Trust your swing.
Trust your swing and let your swing go, but don't let the handle go. Don't let the handle go. Please don't.
It's in the house, honey.
All right, now test your swing again, because I moved it. All right.
And we took a little break. We ate. We got Annabelle right there. The girls and I are going to finish this. This is load number 13 and 14. Load number 13 and 14. I'm going to shovel it all in, and the girls are going to dump them. Whenever we get done, we'll do it. I'll shoot a before, and we'll do an after shot of the pile. See how much of it we used. Load 13. That was actually load 14. This one's 15. This one's 15. 15. $16 rolling on out of here.
Oh yeah, we almost done.
Bucket load 16. We've got half the backyard, or the back of the coop done. Number 17. That's all right. They're about to go up for the night. Number 18. Go dump it over here by the trees, baby. Cool. Good job.
Like it?
Push it. Push it forward before you move it backwards. There you go.
We'll let him know. Leaves and stuff.
Yeah. Look at him. He's loving it already. I was going to say he's loving it already.
I know it's load number 19.
Is it?
Yeah.
Number 19.
Ooh, 19. The one I said.
All right. What load is that, Zariah?
20.
Bug flew in my mouth.
This is load 20.
Load 20.
This is Daddy's guess. He said 20. I said
Yep.
19, so I'm wrong.
Dad's wrong.
Dad's wrong.
Sophia was definitely wrong. She got 2.
Yup. Come on, Charlie.
All right. So If we go over 25, then I'm wrong too.
Good job.
Low 21.
Yep.
You won.
You said
You and
25?
Nevaeh get to switch this time.
Okay.
This can't fit in here, Mom. I did a lot.
You did do a lot.
Whew. I need to take a break right now.
All right, take a break. I told you to last time.
I'm done taking a break.
22. This
22.
is number 22. Ugh. Big old load.
Yeah, it is. You got it. How far they gotten at low 22? Oh. Oops, sorry. Go ahead.
This is my house. So clean.
Dump right there. It's all right. That doesn't have to be perfect, girls.
It's okay, because we're just going to shove it all out.
Come on, Zariah. We're almost finished. We can do this. There you go. Use your whole body. Use your legs. There you go. Oh, all right. Good job. Whew. Low 23. I'm shoveling, they're hauling. Seems fair. Except for this one. She's shoveling too. Or should I say, digging.
I'm digging.
Or throwing now, I guess. She's getting about 1 scoop per wheelbarrow. Not wagon, just wheelbarrow. But that's all right. She's helping. And she's having fun.
Why is chicken calling me?
Because you're so cute.
I thought I am my
Chickens are out here with us. We can't do anything on the homestead without our chickens. Hopefully tonight, that'll all come to a stop. They're all getting their wings clipped. Now that we got all the mulch in their coop and all around, they should have plenty to eat and scratch and peck, and they won't be so bored and try to escape. They're all coming to see what's going on. Alright guys. Alright guys. Load number
24.
and
25.
load number 25. Let's go see where we're at.
Hey, we're running out of smoke in here. Howdy, welcome to my farm. Welcome. I think Mom wants to go.
This must be a dump right by the door.
You like what I've done?
Give me the
here?
egg. Alright, this is 25. So it looks like 25 is not going to cut it. Probably we need like 27. We're going to do one more. I don't want to call it a night because I'm exhausted. It's getting late. This is where we're going to end today's vlog on our free mulch. We thank you all. God bless. We hope to see you in the next video.
God bless.